Good morning, everyone. Can you hear? Can you hear me? Okay, so let us start our new chapter, mensuration. So what do you mean by this mensuration? Do you know what is this mensuration? Mensuration is a branch of mathematics that deals with the measurement of length, area, volume, etc. Okay, it is a branch of mathematics in which we are dealing with length, measurements of length, area, volume, etc. So here we are going to learn about how to find the area of plane figures, solids, how to find the volume, etc. Okay, so you had already learned in your lower classes to find the area of a rectangle, how to find the area of a square, how to find the area of a triangle, then how to find the area of a circle, etc. Isn't it? Can you say how you are finding the perimeter of a rectangle? Let us first consider a rectangle. How can you find the perimeter of this rectangle? Anyone? How you are finding the perimeter of a rectangle? What do you mean by perimeter? Rectangle. Side, let this be length be L and the breadth is equal to B. What do you mean by perimeter? Measurement of all the four sides together. How you are finding this? Perimeter is equal to 2 into L plus B. Perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Okay. Now how to find the area of this rectangle? How can you find the area of this rectangle? Okay, thank you, Gautam. It is L into B, that is length into breadth. Now let us consider the second figure. Second one, a square. How can we find the perimeter? What is the perimeter of a square? What is the perimeter of a square? Perimeter, which is 4 into side. Let us consider one side as A, then the perimeter is equal to 4A, and its area is equal to side into side, that is A into A, which can be written as A square. Okay, it is side into side. Side into side means A into A, which is equal to A square. Now let us consider the third one, triangle. How can you find the perimeter of this? For a triangle, what is the perimeter? Not specifying about the triangle. For any triangle, whatever it be, isosceles triangle or equilateral triangle, or it is a right triangle, whatever it be, perimeter is equal to sum of the three sides. Sum of the three sides, and its area is equal to, let us consider this as the base, and then perpendicular distance from this is to be taken as h. So what is the area of this triangle? See, now you can write the perimeter as 3a only when this is an equilateral triangle. Okay, equilateral triangle means all the three sides are equal, then it measures a, then it is a plus a gives 3a. There are isosceles triangles, scalene triangles, etc. So whatever be the triangle, to find the perimeter, find the sum of the three sides. And what is the area of a triangle? How can you find the area of the triangle when the base B and the altitude to that base is given? It is half into base into height, half BH. If this is the base, this is to be taken as the height, then it is half BH. If you are considering this side as the base, then this length is to be taken as the height. If you are considering this base, then the height is to be taken as distance from this vertex to this side. So it is half BH. Now, fourth one, parallelogram. For a parallelogram, perimeter is the same as 2 into length plus breadth. It is not length and breadth. We are considering it as, for a parallelogram, this is to be taken as base, and here we are taking the perpendicular distance as h. So to find the perimeter of this parallelogram, you have to add all the four sides. To find the area, we are applying base into height. One side is to be taken as the base and the perpendicular distance is to be taken as h. So area is equal to b into h. And now the fifth one, circle. Its circumference or perimeter. For circle, we call it a circumference, which is equal to 2 pi r, and area is equal to pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle. R is the radius of the circle. For a circle, circumference or perimeter. Commonly we use this term, circumference of a circle, which is equal to 2 pi r. Area of the circle is equal to pi r square. So can you say what will be the circumference of a semicircle? See, for a circle, the circumference is 2 pi r. What will be the circumference of a semicircle? See, the semicircle is like this, half of the circle. It is half of the circle. How can you find the perimeter or circumference of this? Give your answer. Gautam, give your answer. What is the perimeter of or circumference of a semicircle? It is half of this. See, if this is a full circle, it is 2 pi r. Then this part gives half of 2 pi r, which is pi r in this side. This curved part is pi r, and this is the diameter of the semicircle. So this is equal to pi r plus d. Okay, so the circumference of a semicircle is pi r plus d. Always remember this one. You have to add this. This is pi r, then plus d gives the circumference of a semicircle. And now the area of this semicircle is half pi r square. Okay, it is pi r square by 2. Is it clear? I have to get the response from all of you. Is this clear? Okay, now see these are the basic measurements or basic concepts we have to use here. First, for rectangle, square, triangles, parallelogram, circle and semicircle. We have to use this. Let us do some problems using this. Okay, so first one, you can draw this figure and write the question. Find the area and perimeter Find the area and perimeter for the following figures. And draw this figure as the first one. This as the first one. Find the area and perimeter for the following figures. See now, in this figure, what is this shape? What is the figure? What is this figure? Okay, it is a parallelogram. So how can we find the and here if you want to find the perimeter, one more measurement to be given in this, and that is this side is to be given. So for this first figure you find the area only. How can you find the area of a parallelogram? Area of a parallelogram is equal to BH, base into height. So here the base is 14 and into height is 7. Find out the product now. It is 98 centimeter square. And here you need the other two sides for finding the perimeter. So in this case you just find the area of the parallelogram only. Okay, it is 98 centimeter square, not centimeter, it is 98 centimeter square. The unit of area is centimeter square, because both these are given in centimeters, it is to be written as centimeter square. Okay, now the second one. In this case, you can find the area and perimeter. Find the area and perimeter. So what is this shape? It's a semicircle. Okay, semicircle. How can we find the perimeter or circumference? Perimeter is equal to, this curved part is pi r plus d. D is the diameter of this. So what is the perimeter? Pi r plus d. What is the radius here? What is the radius of this? What is the radius here? Is the radius 14 centimeter? What do you mean by radius? See, this is a line which passing through the center of a circle, and this gives the semicircle. See, here this length is the diameter, and half of this gives the radius, or this gives the radius. So what is the radius in this case? First you have to listen. See, this is the center of the semicircle, and this total length gives the diameter of the semicircle, and half of this is the radius. This length is the radius. And what is the radius in this case? It is 7 centimeter. Okay, it is 7 centimeter. Now what is the value of pi? The value of pi is to be taken as 22 by 7. If it is not given as, we can take pi as 22 by 7, or pi is equal to 3.14. If it is not specified any value, then you can take 22 by 7. Okay. If in the question it is not given that pi is to be taken as 3.14, or no value is given for pi, then you have to take it as 22 by 7. Into radius is 7, then plus diameter is, what is d? Diameter. What's the diameter here? 14 centimeter. Okay, this is equal to, this d is equal to 14. Now simplify this. 7 and 7 get cancelled. Okay, we can cancel these two, since 22 by 7 multiplied with 7. So it becomes 22 plus 14, which is equal to 36 centimeter. Perimeter of this semicircle is 36 centimeter. Now find the area. area is equal to, area of a circle is pi r square, then divided by 2 gives the area of a semicircle. When you substitute the values here, value for pi is 22 by 7, then into r square, which is 7 into 7. 7 is the radius, 7 into 7 by 2. Cancel it and find out the answer. Okay, it is 77. What is the unit? Tamburu. Is it centimeter? We are finding the area. Always remember, unit of area is centimeter square. So it is centimeter square. It is not centimeter. You have to write it as centimeter square. Unit of area is centimeter square. Unit of perimeter is centimeter. Is this clear? Okay, let us move to the next one. Third question. Find the area and perimeter. Find the area and perimeter. What about this figure? What is this figure? It's a rectangle. Okay. Then what is the perimeter of a rectangle? What's the perimeter of a rectangle? It is 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. So this is equal to 2 into length here is given as 14 centimeter. Length is given as 14 centimeter and the breadth is given as 7 centimeter. So it is 14 plus 7. Find out the answer. Find out the answer now. You can add these two. 14 plus 7, multiply it with 2. 42. What is the unit? 14 plus 7, it is 21. 21 into 2, 42. What's the unit? It is centimeter. Okay, right. Now to find the area of this. How can we find the area of a rectangle? Length into breadth. Okay, substitute the values and find the answer. Substitute the value for L and B. Length is 14, breadth is 7. So it is 14 into 7. Okay, it is 98. Unit is centimeter square. Okay. So perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth, that is 2 into 14 plus 7. Unit of this is centimeter. Area is equal to length into breadth. This can be written as 98 centimeter square. Okay, now the next one is fourth figure. Find the area and perimeter. So how can you find the area perimeter of this triangle? How can you find the perimeter of this triangle? Perimeter of a triangle is equal to sum of all the three sides. Sum of all the three sides. Find out it. Here the three sides are given as 9 plus 11 plus 14. It is 34 centimeter. Okay. Now to find the area of this triangle. How can you find the area? It is half BH. So you can apply half into base into height. So this is equal to half into, which is the base here? What's the base in this? Base is, here it is given 14 centimeter. Okay, so it is base is 14 centimeter and the height, corresponding height here is given as 7 centimeter. So this is half into 14 into 7. Find out the answer now. Okay, it is 49 centimeter square. centimeter square. Okay, the perimeter is sum of all the three sides, which gives 34 centimeter, and the area is half BH. Base is given here as 14 centimeter and the height to that base is 7 centimeter. So it is half into 14 into 7, which gives 49 centimeter square. Okay, moving to the next one. 5. Fifth figure. Find the area and perimeter. So what's this shape? What is this shape? It is a square. Okay. So can you find the perimeter? Perimeter is equal to 4A. So this equals 4 into one side is given as A, which is equal to 28 centimeter. Now find the area. How can you find the area? It is A square. Okay. That is 7 square, which is equal to 49 centimeter square. Okay, moving to the next one. Is this clear? Okay, so let us move to the next question. You can write down the question now. A square and a rectangular field with the measurements as given in the figure have same perimeter which field has a larger area, which field has a larger area. So a square with 60 centimeter, so it is 60 meter, and a rectangle with length 80 meter. See, a square and a rectangular field. So the square field has a side 60 meter, whereas a rectangular field which has length 80 meter, the breadth is not given to us. Instead of that, it is given that both have the same perimeter. Okay, these two have the same perimeter. That is what given to us. See now, it is given that perimeter of square is equal to perimeter of the rectangle. Perimeter of square is equal to perimeter of the rectangle. Both have the same perimeter. That is what given to us. How can you find the perimeter of a square? How to find the perimeter of a square? It is 4 into side, which is equal to perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. And in this side is given to us, so we can write it as 4 into 60. This is equal to 2 into length is 80, breadth is not given. So you know how to solve this. Solve it and find the value of B. First transpose this 2. This is multiplied here. So while transposing it to this side, it becomes division. So you can write this as 4 into 60 divided by 2. This is equal to 80 plus B. Transposing this 2 here. Find the value of B. What is B? What's the value of B? Solve it. No need to multiply this. See, you can cancel these two. 2 2s are 4. So 60 into 2, it is 120. 120 minus 80, which gives 40. B is equal to 40. Okay, B is equal to 40 meter. Now you have to find the area of both these. So area of square is equal to A square, which is equal to 60 square. Find out the answer. Then area of rectangle equals length into breadth. Length is 80 and breadth we got it as 40. Find out the answer. So this is 6 square 36, and since 1 0 is here, we have to put 2 zeros, that much meter square. Then here this is equal to 8 4s 32, then 2 zeros, that much meter square. So you have to conclude which one is having greater area or larger area. Which one is having larger area here, square field or rectangular field? Okay, you have to conclude the square field has larger area. Square field has larger area. Okay, we will do the remaining questions in the next class. All those who attended the class today, send your notes before 12:30. Okay. Thank you for joining.